Okay, you will not regret ever clicking on this video, because in it, I'm going to show you how to migrate your WordPress website from one website to the other. As a developer, there are instances you may want to move your website from one place to the other, or there are instances you may want to have a clone of your website. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to migrate your WordPress website from one place to the other. So if you want to learn how to migrate your website from one place to the other, keep watching. Hello guys, this is Sadiq here at Dikupages Web, where I do web tutorials just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to migrate your WordPress website from one domain to the other. That said, let's jump into the video. Okay, this is a website I made for a client where they run a journal and they have 4 different journals. As you can see, this is the landing page of all the journals, and now they want every single journal to stand alone so that every single one of them will be independent of the other journals. So I've created subfolders for all the 4 journals. I've actually moved 3 of the journals and it is left with 1. And I said, let me just make a video and show you how to migrate your WordPress website from one website to the other, or from one domain to the other. Because creating a subfolder in a particular website also means that you have a new domain independent of the main domain. So this is the main URL. Okay. And now this is the website I want to move it to. You see that after the .com, I have /DJEST. That is the abbreviation of this particular journal. That is Diverse Journal of Engineering, Science and Technology. And you see that there's nothing on this particular website. It's still having my blog as the name of the website and then my WordPress blog as the site description. So let's go back to the landing page. I go to the back end. So I just click on dashboard and I go to plugins, add new, search plugins, all in one. I'll just enter all in one. Then I'll install all in one WP migration. Remember I said I've already installed it or migrated some websites. So in a situation where it wasn't installed, I'll just click on install now and then activate it. So let's assume that is installed and activated. So I go to all-in-one WP migration, then click on export. So in here I go to export to, then I choose file. So it is preparing to export my website. So as this is preparing, let me go to the other website and try to log in. So I enter the admin name and then the password, hit enter. And then in this new website, I'll go to add new plugin. Then I install the same plugin, that is all-in-one WP migration. Install now, activate. So it is installed and activated and you see it right there. So this is still preparing to export. Now it is done. All what I need to do is click on download diversejournals.com and it is 212 megabytes in size. I save it. I click on OK. So download started. Okay, download completed. Now I close this. Let me go to the new website. I go to all-in-one WP migration import. Now I go to import from, click on it, then choose file. So right here I search for my downloaded website and it's right here. Select it, then click on open. So the importation is started and this will take a couple of minutes. So you patiently have to wait for it to finish importing. So now the uploading is done successfully. It's time to proceed to import the complete website, and take note that the import process will override your website including database, media, plugins and themes, and make sure that you have a backup of your data before you proceed to the next step. So I want to proceed, no cause for alarm. But before I do that, let me go to the website to refresh it. You see that we are still having the boring user interface. Then I proceed. Don't try to close this browser or the window, otherwise the import will fail. This one too will take a couple of minutes, so you patiently have to wait for it to finish importing. Okay, your site has been imported successfully. So first of all, you need to save your permalink structure, and this will open in a new tab. So I click on it. I'll be required to log in again. So with the same username. And take note, the reason why I'm using this same username is that the main website is also using the same username and password. So I hit enter. It will take me to permalink settings. I make sure it is under post name because that is what I want to use, and I save changes. And that is that. Now exit out of here, then click on finish. Now let's go to the boring website and refresh. And now we are there. How cool is that? And also take a look at the URL so that you make sure that we've actually imported to a new domain. However, the name of the website is still bearing the name of the landing page. So what I need to do is change it to the name of the particular journal. So I go to the back end, I go to settings, then general, then site title. I take this off and then I rename it to Diverse Journal of Engineering, Science and Technology. Okay, tagline is the same. Then save changes. I refresh and the new name will come. Okay, that's it guys on how to migrate your WordPress website from one domain to the other. In your web development journey, there will come a time where you want to get a clone of a particular website because you don't want to build it from scratch. So this is how you go by it. I hope you found value. If you did, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you'll be the first to know. Keep watching and we will talk soon.